In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload an image and how to use frames and also edit the photo in the document. So I just started with a blank 5 by 5 square here. And if you want to add photo frames, you can just search for frame here under elements, and then you can see you have many choices here. So if I just want to put this frame here, this frame here. I can just move them around a little bit. Um, Anything that has this kind of image with the blue sky and the grass, this is something that you can drag a photo into. So what I can do once I have the frames is I can go to my uploads. Now these are already images that I've already uploaded. So these ones have a transparent background. So when you bring it into the frame, it's going to actually just blend in with the background because they're transparent. So I can just delete those. If I brought in ones that had a white background, then it would be more the frame outline you'd be able to see. But the easiest way, if you just want to upload a new image, is just click on, make sure you're in uploads and go to upload files. And then you can click on your documents and you can see the different files here. So these are the same ones that I already have, but I'll just go ahead and upload a new one so you can see it popped up into my images. So now I can just populate that. Since it has a transparent background, again, it's just going to blend in. You'll still see this outline because this particular frame that I chose had an outline. If I blend into this one, then it just kind of blends into the background. So if you want to edit the photo, you can click on the photo itself, click edit photo, and you can see the different options that you have for editing. Now, I use the background remover and the magic eraser a lot, but as you can see, those are pro. So if you want to change the image at all, then you'd have to use filters, which I have in another video, which I will link down below.